Well, good day, Paper Army. I am working out in the garden right now. I just got done with lunch. And something that you have to do if you're going to have any garden, even if you're only going to have a space on your deck, you have always got to get the weeds out of it. Because if you do not, they will actually just wipe out whatever it is you're trying to do. This is a particularly nasty weed. It doesn't sting you, but it stickers. It attaches to you. That's how they move around, how the plant actually propagates around the world is, oh man, here it is. I'm talking and recording and you can't see anything but my foot. Anyway, okay guys, there's another one here. This one, these, I absolutely hate these. I call them shotgun plants, but what they actually are is, I can't remember their technical name, but what happens is they just blast stuff out. Yeah, another weed. Mushrooms. Yeah, you can't eat them. Those are toadstools. No good for nothing. Yeah, you can't eat them. Bugs can eat them. Okay, now, here's the garlic. I weeded a bit in here as well. All right, now we're going to take you around over here. Yeah, here we go. Rhubarb. And this, oh, it looks like I got one up right there. Somebody's chewing on it. Oh, man. Somebody got in there and dug up my seed. Birds. Anyway, I hope I get more than just one plant this year. And it is what it is. Volunteers, you train these. Train them where you want them to go. Yep. All right. Rhubarb. Tell you what, you can't eat that darn stuff except for the stems. And it looks like this. I transplanted this 2 years ago. It is a blueberry, I think it's blueberry. But anyway, these are those sticky things. They grow up through all kinds of stuff. And they won't let go. It's like, are you kidding me? Anyway. Okay. Well, that kind of covers this area a little bit. And now, we're going to go over here and check this out. I think the ground is good. And here, I've been working on moving this bush up onto itself. And now, I'm getting all kinds of berries on the outside of this thing instead of hidden away inside. So, that is something that I've been working on for a while. And this is the back side of it. Back side of it's on the garden side. It doesn't matter. Now, I've got corn in here. Corn and cucumbers. And I don't know if it's going to come up. I really don't. Wow. Yeah, the birds walk right down the rows and try to take out what I plant. Well, that's crazy. Anyway, what we got over here? These are all going to be seed, you guys. This is second year for those doggone it, orange things, carrots, Bugs Bunny food. Anyway, second year, and these are all going to be flowers with seed. Those are second year also. Onions, they're going to give off seed. Very cool stuff. You can propagate your own food, but it takes a small area. This is how big of an area I work in. This is like, I don't know, 30 feet by 40. But anyway, this here is zucchinis. So far, it looks like there's 1, 2. Man, them zucchinis did not pop. 3, 4, and something. Oh well. So 1, 2, 3, and nothing along here. 4 and 5. I got 5 zucchinis up, and I planted that whole thing with zucchini. Okay. Man, little bunny, you better run. You're not in a good location because Bindi will get you. Anyway. Okay. So, well, everybody, this was just a little bit of a walk around and show you some of the stuff that I've been doing. And I think I'm going to have to water here pretty soon. So this is the water faucet. We open that up, and then this brings everything around here that I can water. I've also got some tomatoes down there, but I do need to plant another row, and I need radishes in there. So this row right here is all going to be radishes.